Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I am your class teacher, Mrs. Kajul Saxena. Today I will teach you English. Topic is sound of vowel U. After learning vowel A, E, I, O, today I will teach you 3-letter words with the help of vowel U. So let's start. U. U says A. U says A. Now first letter is T. T says T. U says A. B says B. T, A, B. Tub. T, U, B. Tub. Next, M. M says M. U says A. G says G. M, A, G. Mug. M, U, G. Mug. Next, N. N says No. U says A. T says T. N, A, T. Nut. N, U, T. Nut. C says K. U says A. P says P. K, A, P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Next, B. B says B. U says A. S says S. B, S. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Next, G. G says G. U says A. N says N. G, N. Gun. G-U-N. Gun. Now, repeat again. T says T. U says A. B says B. T, A, B. Tub. T-U-B. Tub. Next, M. M says M. U says A. G says G. M, A, G. Mug. M, U, G. Mug. Next, N. N says N. U says A. T says T. N, A, T. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Next, C. C says K. U says A. P says P. K, A, P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Next, B. B says B. U says A. S says S. B, S. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Next, G. G says G. U says A. N says N. G, N. Gun. G-U-N. Gun. Children, hope you all are understood sound of vowel U. Write them in your notebook. Keep practice. Thank you.